Mathematics, Analysis and Approaches, Paper 1, Time Zone 1, HL, May 2025. This is question number 5 of 8 marks. In this question, he's talking about 10 rectangular picture frames, F1 to F10. And the first picture frame has a width of 4 centimeter and a height of 5 centimeters. What he also says is that the next picture frame is gotten by increasing the width by 50% and also the height by 50%. And he also says that Fn plus 1, which is where n is ranging from 1 to 9, which means the last picture frame is going to have n value as 9. All right. Now, with this information, he wants me to find out the area of the picture frame Fn, which is any picture frame from F1 to F10, can be found out using this particular formula. And then he wants me to find the mean area of the 10 picture frame and the median area of the 10 picture frames. So I know that the first picture frame will have the width as 4 and then the height as 5, so it's going to end up being a 20, right? Now I'm increasing the width and the height by a 50%. So in this case, the multiplier is 1.5, and this multiplier can also be written as 3 by 2. So the new picture frame will have 4 into 3 by 2. That's going to be the new width, and 5 into 3 by 2, that's going to be the new height. And this is simply equal to 20 times of 3 by 2 square. And I can write this as 20 times of 9 by 4. All right. Let's look at frame 3. Now, what was the frame 2 width? The frame 2 width was 4 times of 3 by 2. This width is increased by 3 by 2, which is a 50% increase. And again, I'm looking at the previous height, which is 5 into 3 by 2. This is again increased by a 50%. So this is simply going to be 20 multiplied with 3 by 2 to the power of 4, which can be written as 20 into 9 by 4 square. So likewise, you can see that this is following a GP. The first term of the GP is 20, and then the second term of the GP is 2 into 20 into 9 by 4, and then we have a 20 into 9 by 4 square, and this continues. So I can use the GP nth term of a GP formula and say an as equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. Here the common ratio is 9 by 4, and therefore this is 20 multiplied with 9 by 4 to the power of n minus 1, and that's going to be your Fn, picture frame Fn. All right. Now I know the geometric sequence, and therefore I can go ahead and add this up and find out the sum till the 10th picture frame. Let's do that. So again, we have the first term as 20, and then we have the common ratio as 9 by 4. So Sn, or S till 10 picture frames, is, well, I'm quickly writing the formula over here, a into 1 minus r to the power of, now in this case it's going to be r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, because r is greater than 1 over here. So this is 9 by 4 raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by 9 by 4 minus 1. What he's looking for is the mean area. So the mean area would be the sum of the areas divided by the total number of picture frames, which is 10 in this case. So therefore I can write as 10, or the mean is equal to sum till the 10th picture frame divided by 10, and that's going to give me 16 over 10 into 9 by 4 to the power of n minus 1. By comparison, I can find out the value for p and also the value for a. So I can write the p value as 16 by 10, or 8 by 5, and then the a value, in this case n is going to be 10, so I can directly say a is equal to 10. Now he wants me to find out the median area of the 10 picture frames, and he wants me to give the answer in this format. So let's understand the median. Well, I have F1, F2, and goes on till F10. So there are ideally 10 numbers in this, and the middle number is going to be F5 and F6. The middle number is going to be the sum of the two picture frames divided by 2. Right? So from here I can find out the 5th picture frame and also the 6th picture frame, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. So the median is simply equal to 20 into 9 by 4 to the power of 4 plus 20 into 9 by 4 to the power of 5, and that's divided by 2. And therefore I can confirm that Q is going to be equal to 65 by 2. That's it for this video. Thank you.